Assalamualaikum and welcome back to another video. So in this video we'll be going to unbox the brand new Toughbuilt StackTech technology. So this is 3-in-1 system and I just really bought it from B&Q UK, and I will be showing you the unboxing and the hardware we get inside it. So I'm going to unbox this and let's see what we got. It's pretty heavy compared to the other one, the Makita one and the D-Bolt one. They are bit lighter than this, but this one is really heavy. I was looking onto the different one and was looking to get the best one for my tools, because I got plenty of tools now and it's really hard to basically manage them without a good rollable packing system. So let me unbox it. The unboxing is pretty nasty. There's literally no way I can pull it out from here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the sides and take it out from this side. So this is out. Let me move this away, but I can't literally move it away. Let me take this off. Ta-da! I was a bit nervous, or you can say bit not satisfied with the price tag, because it's $275 for just 3 cabinets, rollable. And then at the end of the day I decided to just get it anyway. I was like, nah, I have to get this. I've been talking with my friend to see like, should I get it or should I not get it, but at the end of the day I was like, just get this. This is so beautiful. Look, it's gonna lock in itself, pretty sturdy. You can just put everything in it, then move it aside. Let me put it here, and let me show you the first cabinet, the bottom cabinet first, then the middle one, and then the top one. And I think that would be the end of the video. So let's go to the bottom one. Here you can see it's locked pretty nice. So this mechanism is pretty solid as well. Locks really nice. And you can see it's beautiful from inside. Super tough. It's a bit heavy if I have to take it in, you can say if I have to take it using a public transport, it's gonna be heavy thing. But it's gorgeous. You can put a lot of drills and stuff in it. I will also add, when I fill it up with my tools, I will add a clip in the video to show you how it fills up and how it looks. The cabinets, everything is super tight built, super strong material. You can look at the wheel size. It's about 10 inches, 9 to 10 inches. Super tall, super wide wheels. And it's also IP rated. So IP65, which means it's watertight. If it's raining or anything like that, it's gonna stay, we're gonna stay out. And it got a locking mechanism on top here as well. You can see it's not gonna fall down. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but still, the build quality is pretty nice. I think this is the maximum height. You can even stack up quite high, but I think this is the maximum length for the handle. You can just move it down. And let me put this back. You can also take the last container off as well. So there's no locking at the front, but there's lock at the back. Once you take these off, hopefully it's gonna come off, or maybe this comes off. Oh, okay. So this comes off, and then I think you can, yeah, that's it. You can take the handle off. You can use this, or you can also grab this one and move. So you can grab this one and carry up the stairs. So pretty nice thing to do. And you got holders on the left and the right. Got a handle on the other side as well. That's great. So one more thing I forgot to mention before, so just added it in and get this box for you. So it's gonna auto align, auto lock, super easy, very convenient. I really like it. It got multiple tools and brackets to go here as well, so it's really usable. The older sides got metal reinforcement on the sides, super tough metal, and also lockable handles, water bottles. You can put a lot of things on the sides. Again, you got one more compartment, and then I think it's quite big. When I saw the specs, it's about 22 inches wide and about 12 or 13 inches deep. So you can put a lot of tools in here, to be honest. If you look inside, there are plenty of space, plenty. Let's see the last part. Last part is this. So one more thing I forgot to mention. So these got handles as well. So if you just take it out, you can carry it like a briefcase. So more of a solid briefcase. This is quite thick. It's quite easy. You can handle it this way as well. So you got two handles. If in just in case after some time the other one breaks down, you still have two to hold. You can find the rating mentioned top here, 65, IP65. Loading capacity of 192 kg. This is quite a lot. And again, auto locking, the locking mechanism. We'll take it off, open it, and we got these two cabinets for tools, for more like screws and bolts and stuff. We've got a manual here, and then we've got a container here as well for tools. Same on the other side. So that's it. That is the Toughbuilt StackTech 3-in-1 rollable compartment. And we got some of the Makita's nicest brushless drills. So these drills, now all of these tools, these, that, and all of these, I'm going to try to fit them in this and see how much I can fit. And I'm going to use the lowest one as the main take around rollable toolbox. Then the medium one I will try to just put in aside, mostly for special tasks and jobs. And the top one I was thinking just in case like have to do some electric works, you need a lot of different things to do. So let's pack them up and see how we sort it out. There it goes. So it's gonna stick it, look proper nice, and you can carry it. So it's fully loaded now. Okay. You can put your belts here, and in the worst case scenario, you can make someone sit on top of this and literally carry them around. Because you got 192 kg weight limit, you can still squeeze 200 kg. And one more thing, you can rest on top of this as well. It's pretty solid seat. That's all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. Hope you enjoyed it. And until the very next video, please take care. Bye bye.